Good morning, my dear students of class 8. Myself, Florence Minch, assistant teacher of Vidyapati Public School. My dear students, today in this class I will teach you a new chapter, our resources. First, try to understand what is the resources. A resource can be defined as anything that satisfy our needs. In proper manner, a resource is a mode or the source which form a profit or lots of profit produced. We may define a resource as those natural gifts which can satisfy human needs. Dear students, in our daily life, we use many things to fulfill our needs. Their use give them a value. Thus, the resources have a value. They could be the economic value, aesthetic value, ethical value, or legal value. Now let us see each one of them accordingly. First, we take economic value. Where the resources fulfilled or used for the personal or commercial purposes. These resources have the economic value. For example, crops and minerals carry the economic value. Now, the aesthetic value. The sense of pleasure is a basic human tendency. So, all those things which give us pleasure are resources. Mountains, deserts, seas are also resources because we enjoy their beauty. Next one is the ethical value. When we understand our responsibility to preserve any natural resource for future generation, we attach our ethical value to them. Next, the legal value. Where resources are limited, it becomes very extremely valuable to us. As soon as we make law to protect the resources, we attach the legal value to them. Now let us see the classification of resources or types of resources. We can classify the resources into two types, natural and man-made resources. Natural resources can be further divided into three categories: on origin, on the stage of development and according to the renewability. First we consider about the resources on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, natural resources are of two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic resources include natural vegetations, wildlife, aquatic ecosystem of both fresh water and salt water. Abiotic resources. Abiotic means non-living things, or biotic means the living things. So abiotic resources include the land utilized for settlements, soil for cultivation, water for survival, mineral etc. The second type of natural vegetation on the basis of stage of development. On the stage of development, we can categorize the natural resources into of two types, potential and actual. Dear students, what do you understand by potential? Potential simply means possibility. Potential resources are those resources which are present around us, but they are not utilized because of non-availability of technology or means. Example, sea tides, waterfalls. And next one, the actual resources. Actual resources are those resources which has been developed by man for its own use and are being continuously utilized by them, like coal, petroleum, firewood. These are the exhaustible resources. If they are exploited too much, they may be finished near in future. Now, on the basis of renewability, the natural resources are of two types, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources renew themselves by the processes over a period of time. They may be renewed without putting themselves into danger or their future use. Non-renewable resources. These resources cannot renew themselves or themselves. Once they are used, they get exhausted. Like petroleum products and coal, etc. come under this category of resource. The second type of resource is man-made resource. Man-made resources are very important for the utilization and development of natural resources. These resources mainly include our technical expertise, government structure, political and economical institutions, and social and cultural setup. So my dear students, today you have come to know about the resources, type of resources, the natural resources and man-made resources. The classification of natural resources on the basis of origin, stage of development and renewability. On the basis of origin, you have come to know the two types of natural resources. They are biotic and abiotic. On the basis of a stage of development, you have come to know about potential and actual resources. And on the basis of renewability, you have come to know about the renewable resource and non-renewable resource. So dear students, I hope you have understood the chapter, and I would like to request you, please revise and come to the next class. Thank you.